In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear storage here on your PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go to this little search bar right here and just type in add or remove programs and open it up. Once you are in here, go ahead and find this little sort by option and sort specifically from large to small. And this is going to show you which apps are taking up the most space. Essentially, find whatever one is taking up too much space that you're not using anymore. Just click these three dots on it and then hit uninstall. Confirm that uninstall if prompted and repeat this for any large apps that you no longer use. After you go and do that, go ahead and close out of this. Now from here, go back to this little search bar, and this time you're going to want to type in disk cleanup and hit enter, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where honestly what I'd recommend is just selecting all of these, but you don't have to. You can select just specific things if you'd like the server cache, temporary internet files, downloaded program files, and thumbnails, or the recycle bin as well, since you guys probably don't have thumbnails. But essentially, go ahead and select a few different options on here, or select all of them, and then hit OK, and then hit delete files. And this is just going to clean up your disk a little bit and remove any unnecessary files. After you go ahead and do that, what you're going to want to do is return back to this little search bar, and this time go ahead and type in defragment and optimize drives and open it up. And from here, select your drive and hit optimize if you do have the ability to do it. And this is going to help your computer run more efficiently by organizing files. Now, finally, what you can do is also open up your file explorer, go down to the very bottom and find this PC and open it up. Select your little C drive or your local disk, whatever it might be, and just open any major folders like program files and look for anything that you don't necessarily recognize or no longer need, and just go ahead and remove them. Like, what even is Bonjour? I couldn't tell you what this is. Delete. Once you go ahead and delete some of these, you'll be good to go. Just make sure that you do permanently delete them as well. But doing all these steps together can free up a ton of storage and help your PC run so much faster. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.